Alright. Davey's getting these wheels back on. I'll show you how he trues these up. Kind of interesting. A lot of people don't run these spokes anymore. But they're a good wheel if you know how to get them centered. Hi, Davey. Now I've added oil to that hump again. It's already down again, so check them 3 or 4 times. You fill them and spin them. You like gets all the oil to the back.
I like to put a little gear oil on this surface.
Oh.
So it doesn't bind and they just torque down nice.
Yeah. It's a neat trick. So notice he ain't lubing the threads, but he's putting a little gear oil on the inside of the nut. So when it rides on this surface, it'll ride freely and torque down nice. That's an interesting little trick.
Sometimes it'll still jump, but
sometimes you get a good idea. Once in a while.
Yeah, once in a while.
Get a brain fart.
That one's bad. Threads are pulled.
You see? Oh yeah, look at that. See that right there? You can see that the whole way. Good thing you saw that. See how the threads are all pulled in that, guys? If you torque that up, it just pull out and it stay loose. You got more nuts?
Yeah, I do.
Now what he'll do with these is when he puts them on, he'll torque them crossways and get them all nice and even. And then you lay a block down on here and spin it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of an interesting process. Like I said, years ago, it was the only way to do it. Now there's hub pilot, there's aluminum wheels and all that. Yeah, it's a good thing sharp eye, he notices that. Notice some threads, look at that. Now a guy went and put that back on and it would loosen. Chances are it would work the spoke, loosen the other one. Pretty soon you'd have issues. You don't want, you know, if you don't get them nice and even, your wheels will do this going down the road, which again, that works on everything. Works on the spacer, works on the rim. It looks like crap, you know. But you can see where this oil line right here, guys. Now I filled that once and I spun it, and I filled it again and I spun it, and it was clear up here. It's down to there now. So we're gonna fill it again and spin it. We'll fill it up again and spin it and see. Dunkin' iced coffee.
Yeah. All right, got a new one.
Look at that. Nice shiny nut there, Dave. Dave's got nice nuts. TMI.
Alright, now I like to bring them up snug, and then I check for an initial truancy.
Truancy.
At 50 pounds.
We're doing a YouTube Dayton wheel informational video. Yep. Interesting. You need to get your one of them doodad. You got one, don't you?
Yeah,
That
what a gun.
Milwaukee. Oh man, that thing's amazing. Now, what do you torque these to?
230.
230.
Yeah. We go up in 50-pound increments, so
Yep.
that way you're never getting
Yep.
one side too far
Right.
ahead of the other.
There is no other kind of wheel. Yeah, I'm thinking them hub piloted. I'm thinking we'd run them up quite a bit more than that.
Yeah, they go up to like
400.
450.
Yeah, thinking. I don't do much of it, so. You see, he'll go around these and crisscross pat them, and just tug them up, and just snug them up. And he'll do 50-pound increments on the torque wrench.
I'm looking for the gap between this little
Yep.
tab and the...
Yep. Yeah, otherwise, like I said, the wheels will do this shit going down the road.
And you can go by the stud, the amount of threads you have, but
Sure.
sometimes some...
That's not always accurate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
'cause some are out further than others or longer. But these are all coming up nice and even. So
You
now
can
we'll
see it
do
sucking them in.
the first spin.
There you go, check this out. This will work as a dual
We'll
purpose.
put it over top so you can see the
Yeah,
gap maybe.
what we want to do is watch this, see how even it is. Good? Worked pretty damn good, buddy.
Pretty damn good.
She's true. See the space right here? If this isn't true, it would widen and lessen. That's pretty true.
Put it up all up to 50.
It gets our oil going around there too. We'll top that off again. So you been busy, Davey? Huh?
Not doing what I should be doing, I guess.
Oh.
Haven't been making any money.
Oh. Join the club. What year is that 225?
90.
Look at that, make a nice landing machine. Make a,
It's got some walls.
oh, I'll bet.
We put some 8-ton stone on the trailer with it.
Really?
Yeah.
You can handle 10s on the ground, right?
Yeah. We picked up 8-tonners and 8 and 10-tonners and picked them up and swung around and set them down, you know. But we put some 8s on the trailer. I wouldn't put any more, but
That's cool. Yeah, that'd be nice for slinging logs around. I'd like to find one like that and make a Yoder out of
There's
it.
one up by you.
Where?
What is it, on the way to, I gotta look at where I was. It's up the road from Hovis.
Really?
Yeah.
For sale?
No, well, it's on the side of the road. It's in the
Oh.
weeds, but it looks like it's in nice shape. The paint and everything is nice on it. And it's a D, I think.
yeah.
Yep.
What years did the D's run?
They're right up around 90. Probably from
Mid 80s to 90s?
late 89 or 88, 89
Okay.
maybe to 90, maybe 2 or something like that.
Hmm.
They discontinued them or something. I don't know when they discontinued them, but that's the last one.
Now how's that? Is that I mean, it don't have the outboard drive motors, but what's it got the drive motors back under, or
Final drives on the inside.
yeah, but it's hydraulic. Yeah, pretty neat setup. You went up to 100.
Yeah, I'm on 100. I'll check it one last time. And
Mhm.
if they're true, if it's still true, I'll just set the brakes and then finish.
Crank them up. Let's see if it held true.
Still.
Yeah, we want to see for variance
And get stable.
Right? Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, when you get that
Yeah, you
stuff.
just, yep. Come around, come around, come around.
Right there.
Yeah.
This spoke should
Yep.
go first.
Go in that. Go in there. Check it again. So anyway, that's how you do this stuff.
Hose.
We just let the jack down a little bit. Well, probably.
good, but
Yeah.
it does still sometimes.
Thumb nut too.
Yeah.
Yeah, some bits of threads are stripped off.
Nothing wrong with that one, huh?
Let's see, start down here again.
Oh. I like them spokes like that. Instead of the individuals, they seem to work better, huh?
Be up to there.
200.
See it bounce.
You can do the last 30 pounds, so it's even. Not fat enough.
Get the cheater out.
Well, it's not good to jump on it. That's
No.
what you have to do to get the
No,
weight on it.
not the most accurate. And you're supposed to allow too for your extension too, huh?
Jumping on it, you got it. Pretty much.
Yeah, so we got little kimchi in the garage there, putting new rollers on it. I
Oh,
chewed
yeah.
the rollers off it because it didn't have any guards on it. you know.
Yeah. Well, you got the
So-
guards, right?
well,
you had them.
Marv's building them.
Yeah.
So we devised a nice way to build them, and then he built guides on the front of the eye, up on sides of the idler.
Yeah.
And then we're also putting some guides on the side between the upper rollers to keep the thing from, because you're working in mud and stuff, they want to walk off.
Yeah.
So it'll work pretty good. Oh yeah, that's the third time. So I want to spin it again and check it. Looked like one of the ones on the other side was low too.
Yep.
The one on the back might be because.
Yeah, I'll go check it right
We
now.
don't want to put any more on that one.
Yeah, that was packed with grease.
Oh, this one's grease packed.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I added some oil just to get us
Okay.
through until we get the
Okay, I
new
forgot you told me that. I just noticed it looked a little
bearings.
low.
Yeah, the new bearings on order.
Mhm. Pull that bad boy back up. What you gotta do? You gotta check your motor over, right?
What's that?
The
Oh,
pump
the
motor.
pump. Yeah, we should check that. Make sure it's gonna run.
Mm-hmm.
We cover it because it gets water in it. The rainwater will run down the tank and then get in the.
That rainwater's an unsecured load, you know.
Yeah.
They got stopped yesterday by the DOT with one of the other. They got a whole bunch of these trailers, but some waters have cracked somewhere. Something water. It's fresh potable water. Right? It was dripping out. So the cops was gonna redline them and all this stuff because it's unsecured load. Stupid. And they got water all over the thing. Whatever. Okay. Look at this pump. Oh, they're the Honda motors. That's right. I was thinking they were Briggs and Stratton.
We hitched that and then wagon along.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. We're gonna check these over. Hey, Jay, check your air cleaners and stuff. Or you just gonna check your oils and
Yeah, check the oil.
check the oil and the crankcase. Yep. Is this one not run yet this year?
No, hasn't.
Oil's good. Motor oil's good.
A month or so before the season ended is when
Yeah, that ethanol gasoline is terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Makes a mess of my chainsaws if you leave it set. Yeah. Alright. There's our tutorial on Dayton wheels and trash pumps. Ta-ta.